You finally made some gains on your crypto, and you're ready to move it off Uphold. Maybe you're consolidating your portfolio, or you found a better yield elsewhere, or you just want to take those sweet profits. But then, a nagging question hits you: how much is Uphold going to charge me for this? Am I about to get eaten alive by fees? If that's you, you're in the right place. Because today, we're diving deep into the often murky waters of Uphold's cryptocurrency transfer fees. Let's be real, transfer fees can be a real pain. They can eat into your profits, and sometimes, they're just plain confusing. Uphold, like many exchanges, has its own fee structure, and it's not always the easiest to navigate. So, we're going to break it down, make it crystal clear, and get you the answers you need. First off, it's important to understand that Uphold's fees can vary. It's not a one-size-fits-all situation. The amount you will pay depends on a few key factors: the cryptocurrency you're transferring, the network you're using, and even the current market conditions. Yes, market conditions can influence transaction fees, especially when the network is congested. Now, let's talk about the actual fees. Uphold generally charges a network fee, which is essentially the cost of processing the transaction on the blockchain. This fee goes to the miners or validators who keep the network running. And, just like gas prices at the pump, these network fees can fluctuate wildly. For example, if you're transferring Bitcoin during a period of high network activity, you can expect to pay a significantly higher fee compared to a time when the network is relatively quiet. This is because miners prioritize transactions with higher fees, meaning your transfer might get stuck if you try to skimp. On top of the network fee, Uphold might also add its own service fee. This is where things can get a little tricky. Uphold service fees are not always transparent, and they can vary depending on the cryptocurrency and the transfer method. It's crucial to check the fee breakdown before confirming your transfer to avoid any nasty surprises. To find these fees, you'll generally need to initiate the transfer process within the Uphold platform. Before you finalize the transfer, Uphold should display a breakdown of the fees involved. Pay close attention to this, as it's the only way to know exactly how much you'll be charged. Another point to consider is the withdrawal method. Are you transferring directly to a wallet address, or are you using a linked bank account? Bank transfers, in general, might have their own set of fees, which are separate from the network fees. However, Uphold does not generally charge fees for bank withdrawals, although your bank may. Also, be aware of minimum withdrawal amounts. Some cryptocurrencies have minimum withdrawal limits, and if you try to transfer less than this amount, your transaction might be rejected. Here's a quick tip: always do a small test transfer first. Send a small amount of crypto to your destination wallet to ensure everything works smoothly and to get a feel for the fees involved. It's better to lose a few dollars on a test transfer than risk losing a significant amount on a large transfer. And remember, staying informed is key. The crypto world is constantly changing, and fees can fluctuate. Keep an eye on Uphold's fee structure and network conditions to make the most cost-effective transfers. Check Uphold's help pages, and keep up to date with community forums where users share their experiences. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.